A luxurious, single modern staircase in a high-end mansion, designed with precision and elegance. The staircase has a sleek, floating structure with either rich wooden, polished marble, or high-end glass steps. The railings are crystal clear glass, ornate wrought iron, or elegant brass with intricate patterns, ensuring a visually stunning effect. The staircase is illuminated with perfectly positioned LED strip lighting under each step, casting a soft, ambient glow. The surrounding walls feature premium decor. Options include wood paneling, 3D textured marble, or metallic gold accented designs, ensuring a rich and sophisticated background. A single, stunning chandelier, not multiple, hangs above, adding elegance without clutter. The space is complemented by modern artwork, sleek console tables with vases, and subtle yet luxurious decorative elements. The flooring beneath the staircase is polished marble or premium herringbone wood, enhancing the grandeur. The entire composition is balanced, realistic, and ultra-clear, ensuring high resolution and no unnecessary distortions.